everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, Anthony. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. All right. The dollar made a move higher today. We'll take a look at that. All right. But first, I want to take a look at the S&P, guys. Look at the S&P. All right. Monthly time frame here. All right. All-time highs on the S&P. Want to take a quick look at the weekly. All right, weekly here, that's this week. All right, good price action here. We are going to move the S&P and the NASDAQ back to the weekly time frame for now. Okay, here's the NASDAQ right here. Look at that, guys. This week here, the Dow. Let's move that also to the weekly. All right, so we've got better direction now. All right, so we'll move those back. The Russell, move it back to the weekly also. All right. The rest we'll leave. The VIX, let's move. The VIX is at 1294, guys. Look at that. I wonder what the market would look like if we had the Dow and the Russell moving higher. Here's the VIX, all-time low, guys. Look at that on the VIX. Very, very low. All right. Looks like it wants to break through support here. Break at, look at 1294. Very, very low volatility, which is that's helping the S&P. All right. Look at that price action there. All right. So remember, S&P, those are large cap stocks, mainly in the S&P. And NASDAQ also. All right, good price action here. Look at that there. Okay, Dow is consolidating. We're going to move this up, and then it's on the weekly time frame now. So let's see if the Dow on the weekly can at least hold. If it can hold and move higher, that would be great. Okay. Now, S&P, NASDAQ holding the market up, but boy, it would be nice to get at least the Dow moving higher. All right. All right. Bitcoin still holding. All right. Still holding. What is it right at now? It's at 66,000. So it's holding here at 66,000. I'm holding that trend line right here. All right, no buy signals. You guys know this. We have no buy signals on Bitcoin. Right now, just consolidating right here. Okay, between was that 70, 71, and 66 right here. All right. All right. Our US 30 traders, nothing. All right, just hold off. Nothing here. Let's see what the NAS, I think the NAS is still holding that long position. All right, so the NAS still holding, right? Right, so NASDAQ trading at new highs. Here it is. All right, NAS 100, 60-minute buy signal here, still going strong here. Those of you who traded this, just hold on. All right, all green candles, nothing to do here. And daily time frame looks really, really good. Okay. All right. US 30, nothing. Okay. Let's go back here to futures. Okay. We had a green candle came into here. So buyers are back in the dollar. Now it's been choppy in here. All right. Keep an eye on this. What the dollar could do here is similar to what it did here. All right, and here also. Right, we have a green candle here. That's bullish. All right, we do not have a buy signal, but we are near the top here. Here's the recent low right down here at 103. Here we are. All right, 104, high 104. So if the dollar moves higher overnight, we could see it start, and tomorrow start testing resistance here. Okay, now that wouldn't be good for the equity markets, but we'll trade it accordingly, right? Trade what's in front of us. Okay, so the dollar pairs, we might look for some opportunities this evening in the dollar pairs. Okay, so let me just make a note here. Dollar pairs. All right, we'll take a look at that. All right, so green candle here on daily time frame here, and currently the dollar index is up. We might get a move. We'll see. All right, so some buy signals today, but they were high buy signals. So we'll take a look at those. But green candle here on the dollar index. A buy signal, all right, if it moves higher, a buy signal might come in right at resistance here. All right, if it breaks out, definitely we'll get a buy signal if it breaks resistance here. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's perhaps the most interesting thing right now in Forex. Okay, all right. On the daily time frame, NASDAQ, look here. All right, really good price action, guys. Gapped up yesterday, continuing to move nicely today. Buy signal here, nice breakout, all-time highs on the NASDAQ. Okay. And same thing on the S&P. All right. Same thing on the S&P. Buy signal here. All right. Gapped up yesterday, firm hold today. So NASDAQ, S&P, that's what's holding the markets right now. All right. Some struggle with the Dow. Dow is struggling on the daily. And guys, remember, we follow these indexes because the stocks will follow the indexes. So indexes first, then the sector. All right. And we'll tie in the VIX with the indexes, then the sector, then the stock. Okay. The Dow, right, still caught between support and resistance, got a red candle, closed on a red candle. Every time the Dow makes a big move lower intraday, right, buyers will come in and hold it. So they're not letting it collapse. They're holding. That's the good news. They're holding it. Same thing for the Russell here. All right. So small cap, right, red candle here. But no surprise with the Russell. Russell's been struggling for a while. But S&P, NASDAQ, good strength. Yeah, right. Good strength there. And again, the VIX 1194 there on the VIX. Okay. All right. Current positions. Current positions. No, we don't have a lot. Let's go through these. On the 60-minute time frame, USD MXN. Let's see how it's holding. All right. USD MXN here closed. All right. On the 60-minute. All right. Buy signal was here, broke support. Red candle here, we should be out. All right. So buy signal here, broke support, red candle, close the trade, please. USD MXN. And that's a dollar pair. Aussie yen also closed. All right. Buy signal here, hit resistance here, red candle, close the trade. So bought here, sold here. If you were able to reduce that time frame, perhaps a 15-30 minute, might be able to get out a bit sooner. All right, but worst case, sell signal here, red candle, close the trade, and made it to look here, right? So they really defended resistance here. The sellers did. All right, so very similar. Look here. All right, sellers came in here at resistance, came in here, came in here. Here they are now. All right, should be out of this trade. So Aussie yen, close the trade, please. All right. 240-minute time frame, long positions in Monster Scalper. All right, 240. All right, USD MXN. All right, still holding its long position. All right, retraced a bit to the moving average, is holding the moving average. We have a wide candle here. Now the dollar is holding, so we'll see. But USD MXN, guys, it's been doing its own thing. Okay, you want to take profits? That's fine. We'll hold it now for demonstration purposes, but we're hoping that right buyers could come back in. So if you're in it, if you traded it under 240, definitely might want to take some profits off the table. Okay, good trade here. Buy signal here, all the way up here. 240, we'll hold it for now. USD HUF, buy signal here, and it's currently breaking resistance. All right, so good trade here. All right, we have sellers here, and looks like it wants to pass this area here, get above resistance. So good trade holding so far. Watch your smaller time frame. So this is 240. I'll pay attention to your 60-minute, even your 30-minute time frame as it holds near resistance here. USD HUF. All right. Aussie CAD. All right. That's holding. Keep an eye on it. All right. Resistance is right here. Previous resistance becomes support. It's trading right at the line there. New Zealand dollar. All right. Buy signal here. Oh boy. Let's see here. I would close this trade here. Buy signal here. White candle here with the dollar index moving higher. This could come on down, test support, and perhaps break through. So NZD, USD, close the trade, please. All right, Swiss yen. See how the yen pairs are doing. So Swiss yen still holding. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. SGD, JPY, SGD, JPY, buy signal here, holding. All right, let's see. Let's make sense of this here. Now remember, if the dollar index moves higher, these yen pairs could come down. But guys, this market's been doing whatever it wants. Okay, so buy signal here, looking to break out. Okay, so normally these barometers will work, but recently market's been doing its own thing. SGD, JPY, Aussie yen, buy signal here, holding. All right, so retrace all the way down here. That candle came all the way down. The bulls, buyers brought it back up and it's holding, looking to break through that resistance here. Aussie yen, hopefully dollar index will help it out. Pound yen holding right at resistance here. Look at that volatility, guys, today. Look at those long candles there. All right, holding right at resistance. All right, looking for a break of that resistance. Pound yen. New Zealand yen, same thing. Just holding right here. Anthony, I think, was this the one you mentioned, New Zealand yen? All right, so if you're still in it, just hold on, right, holding right above that resistance, which is good. All right, came all the way down here, but holding right now, all green candles. We could move this here. All right, just remember, this is where it failed before. So hope it has to stay above that resistance and keep moving higher. All right, New Zealand yen. No shorts on the 60-minute. Notice 60-minute has been quiet. All right, that's on purpose, guys. All right. You know, when the 60-minute gives difficult trading, then you know we don't have any follow through. All right, shorts on the 240. All right, Aussie Swiss. I thought we called this already. Close the trade. All right, sell short signal is here. close the trade. Aussie Swiss. New Zealand Swiss, same thing. Sell short signal is here. Close the trade, please. All right, so clean things up. So no shorts currently on both the 60-minute and the 240. All right, I want to go here. Monster Scalper. I want to see what's going on with the dollar pairs. Okay. Um, so if you guys look here, all the Kiwi pairs are down. Kiwi, Aussie, Yen pairs. This is what we like to see. All right. And buying is coming in on the dollar pairs. All right. So we don't quite have a rotation yet. But if this holds, we have continued selling. This is early. It's on the 60-minute. Right. We might have something. All right. Yes, it does suck, Anthony. All right. But we know with Forex, things can change. All right. But 3 weeks like this is, yep, sucks. Your words, not mine. Your words, not mine. But I totally agree. Totally agree. So let's go through some of these dollar pairs. Let's see if we can find some opportunities there. Okay. Dollars are nothing yet, but good markdown phase. But a lot has to happen. The daily, nothing on that daily. Okay. So look at that daily there. So good markdown phase though. USD SGD. All right. Setting up for a buy signal. Look at the daily. Keep an eye on that daily. All right. So we would need some buyers to come in. All right. Let's get a green candle on that daily there. USD SEK. All right. We have a buy signal here. Look at that daily. All right. Sellers are on that daily. All right. So they could come back in like this. All right. So at a minimum, bare minimum, let's get a white candle and get past this trend line right here, this moving average rather. Okay. Something like this. Breakthrough, white candle at a minimum. Okay. So it has a buy signal here on that 60-minute. This is what will get us. Okay. Sellers could come in like they did here. Okay. So we'll leave this for now. USD PLN. All right. Green candles here on the daily. We normally don't trade. We'll call this. So TRY, green candles on the day, buy signal here. Let's see here. All right, we're looking for a breakout here. So USD PLN. We're going to put a question mark by that now. Let's take a look at the other pairs just to see, get further confirmation. USD PLN, USD NOK, no buy signal yet. MXN, nothing. HUF, all right, HUF looks good also. All right, so we have buyers on the daily, resistance is here. Here is your pullback, your V right here. On the 60. Now the dollar index, it's holding and moving. It's moving higher. So remember that. All right, buy signal here on a break of resistance. All right, there's your V. All right, buy signal here, moving higher here. So USD. So we have further confirmation with USD HUF. All right. And we do have the dollar index. USD HKD. All right. Nothing here. Look at your daily. Sellers are on that daily right here. And USD DKK. All right. So we got buyers coming in on the daily. Let's see here. Looks like we have a triangle here. Right here. All right. Could break through that. All right. So USD DKK. We can call that. And they all have the same setup. All right. So here's your V. You might want to take a small position and then on the breakout add. And it's right at that breakout here, right at resistance here. All right. Just be aware this is where it failed before here. Okay. So, all right. But sometimes we'll get a nice big breakout when they're like this. Okay. So USD DKK. So we'll add these along. So USD PLN, we'll go ahead and add that one long on the 60. USD HUF long on the 60. And USD DKK, this one here long on the 60. If you want to wait, you guys want to wait on a break. All right. If you want to wait on a, further confirmation, get that candle to get above that resistance and take it then, that's fine. Absolutely fine. Okay. USD CHF. Let's take a look at the daily here. Again, we're in a tricky environment, so just be careful, tread lightly. Let's see here. So we'll call this support here. We know we have further support down here. Resistance. All right, so this is a range on the daily. All right, so we got white candles coming in. We're looking for a move higher here on the daily. We should be able to capture that if it happens on the 60-minute here. Okay. So same thing. And look at the previous trade here. All righty. And your resistance is here. So we just, again, all of these are identical. And we'll keep an eye on the dollar index overnight. Okay. Buy signal here and consolidating right here. Well, all green candles. We just need a breakout, but it's holding right here at resistance. So USD CZK. So those dollar pairs, they're poised, guys. They're really setting up and holding for a move higher. USD CNH, same thing here. Did we look at the daily? Yes, we looked at the daily here. CNH on the daily. All right, so buyers are on the daily. All right, that's good. Look at that. Good buyers on the daily. We have resistance here. All right, resistance here. Upward trend right here, looking to break out. All right, so this is not a bad setup. And a lot of days here, lots of days here, green. Couple here, neutral, but that's good buying. This it's holding. And right here. So we have several. What's that? This is the fifth. So just find the best setup. Find the one with the best setup. All right. So this one, all right, we need to get that closer. Let's see here. Do we have more? Anywhere here or here is fine. Okay. USD, CNH. And hopefully the dollar index moves higher. These breakout, right? You guys will have some trades. All right. Dollar Swiss, not yet. All right. Dollar CAD. On dollar CAD. All right. This is not bad. We've got to get past resistance here on the daily. All right. Right about here, let's call that. Look at the CAD. Look how choppy that is. Okay. Let's see here. Just wait. If you're gonna trade it, wait for buyers to come in. Some green candles to come in, and perhaps even because of the consolidation in here, perhaps wait. It has a buy signal here. Wait for perhaps a break up the high right here. Okay. All right. But you have better trades than this one. Longs, any more longs? Nothing here. These are mixed. Okay. Same thing here. So we've got USD PLN, USD HUF, USD DKK, USD CZK, USD CNH. So we've got 5. And on the 240 long, let's see here. I think we're in, hold on. So on the 240, we're in on the dollar pairs USD MXN, USD HUF. So we're just looking at the dollar pairs right now. So let's go back. All right, on the 240 dollar pairs, USD MXN, that's holding. Look at the 240, guys. Buyers are coming in. Green candle coming in right now on the 240. That's good. All right, USD HUF, we're still holding that one also. Everything else is red on the 240. All right. No short in here. All right, so nothing here. Let's see if we can find. We have to just look. Aussie, New Zealand short, nothing here. Nothing here. Oh my goodness. Nothing here. But keep an eye on Aussie and Kiwi pairs to go short. Okay. New Zealand Swiss is setting up here to give a short signal. All right. New Zealand CAD looks good for a sell short signal to come in. Target would be all the way down here. All right. So if we draw this, so New Zealand CAD, keep an eye on New Zealand CAD, 60-minute for a short. All right. So it's getting into that distribution phase. All right. We need a sell short signal to consider it a markdown phase. All right. But it's broken support, red candle. All right. Red candles coming in here, just waiting for a sell short signal. Not a bad setup here. And we have clear. This is very clear space right here. You could get another move like this, hopefully. All right. See that short signal where that came in right here? Came all the way down to support. Right. We could get another, and it's they've rejected resistance up here. Okay. So New Zealand CAD, not a bad setup there. Okay. And let's go back. New Zealand Swiss, same thing here. All right, same thing here. New Zealand dollar, same thing here. All right. So if we look here at New Zealand dollar, right here, now that distribution is a bit lower there. Here would be your target. Let's bring that here. All right. So New Zealand dollar and New Zealand CAD. But look at the setup. All right. New Zealand Swiss too. That's New Zealand dollar. All right, it's a bit lower here. New Zealand CAD higher, more room to go down here. Okay, but New Zealand dollar, New Zealand CAD, and even New Zealand Swiss setting up nicely for a decent short there. All right, and if these come down, those dollar pairs will go up. Okay. AU, let's see, AU, XAU USD. We don't trade that. I think, what is that? Is that gold? What is that? Is that gold? Let me know. We don't have the data. I'll just make sure, but we don't have the symbol here. We don't have the data for that. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't think we have the data. I'll put it in here. XAU USD. I know we don't have it, but I'll put it in here anyway. Yeah, we don't have the data for that. Sorry about that. If it's, let me know if it is, I could put it up perhaps in the futures market. So let me know, look up that symbol. Let me know if that's gold. I think gold or crude oil. Let me know. I can pull it up in the futures market under a different symbol. Okay. Where was I? Oh yeah, shorts. So yeah, so New Zealand, keep an eye on the New Zealand pairs to go short. Okay. Yen pairs to go short. Tricky, very tricky. All right, because they want to go long. Pound yen, don't short these. The overall trend, big trend, is long. Okay. All right, nothing here to go short the dollar. All right, so that's it. Okay. All right. I wanted to spend some time here. Let's go back here, and then we'll finish up with equities here. Okay. So at least we've got some longs, long dollar, and wait for shorts on the 60 in the Kiwi pairs. AMC still holding, got a lift today, got a bid today. GME, all right, GameStop made a nice move today, holding that trend line. All right, getting lucky with GameStop, boy. All right, getting lucky here, continuing to hold right there. ORGN, all right. We're gonna close this, guys. All right, so the buy signal was at 68 cents. came in today at 96, broke that trend line, big white candle here, closed the trade. ORGN. EBS, that's holding. TAC, red candle, closed that trade. All right, you guys see here. All right, and they love to sell it. Hold on. All right, so here was the target. That's not happening. All right, so buy signal here. Red candle came in today. That's a sell signal. Okay. So the buy signal was at $7, close today at $6.94. Close the trade, guys. Look at this. They love to sell it. All right, these red candles, those are your sellers. All right, so all right, your first sell signal, that's your best sell signal. So it breaks support here, right? It could go all the way back down here. Doesn't have any support after here. So you've got decent support here. After that, that's about it here. So close the trade. TAC, that's over. Okay. All right, that's in Stock Boss. Royal Caribbean, that's holding good price action. In Bullmaster, CLS, nice. Look at that. All right. You know, there's always a bull market somewhere. It might not be the market we want to trade, but there's always a bull market somewhere. And right now, there's a bull market in Bullmaster, right? Buy signal here. Look at that, breaking resistance. COHR, all right? Hood, Robin Hood, looks good. HQY, keep an eye on HQY, okay? Pull down here, trading below resistance, but holding, keep an eye on that. HQY. MPWR, right? Holding strong. All right. PSTG, look at PSTG, guys. All right. So these large caps, all right. S&P, NASDAQ, they're following that market. Okay. All right, RVTY, that's holding above resistance. WIX holding above resistance. ANF, look at ANF. All right, so we have a bull market, not in Forex right now, but definitely in large caps. Netflix, NFLX, holding firm. Need to break to that high right here, but it's holding good. All right, AHCO, that's holding. NVCR, guys, keep an eye on NVCR. We have purpose support and resistance, and it is struggling to fill in that gap. Boy, if it can fill that gap right here, we could see it move much higher. It's just holding right here. All right, so needs to get going there. CEIX holding, moving higher. We got higher lows. All right, so that's good. Target is right here. All right, so that's Bullmaster. And then Bullmaster Pro. I think Bullmaster Pro is the star right now. So Apple, guys, Apple, nice breakout, holding firm. Okay, no support, new support and resistance line. So holding firm there. Okay, ANET, nice break of resistance. Buy signal here, reaccumulation. Good, look at that. Gapped up, good price action. 3 days of solid buying. Okay. ARM, right? Good job there. CRDO, look at that, holding firm up high. CRWD, holding. All right, Microsoft, buy signal here, holding, broke resistance, holding firm. All right, when they're holding like this, that's good. Like I think Microsoft is on the Dow too. So the fact that it's holding like this and it's on the Dow, that's good. NVIDIA, oh, loving NVIDIA, right? Buy signal here, right? We got our 10 to 1, 50, or 10 to 1 split. Nice move higher here, continuing to move higher. That split when it came out from 1200 and change was 120, and now it's at 129. So this week alone, guys, all right, it's up what, nine points there. So great trade going here. NVIDIA, BROS, keep an eye on it, guys. It's right, trading right on that line here. Keep an eye on it. It's got great. It's choppy, right? It's trying to break out of a large consolidation. Okay, right here. All right. So this is where it failed before. So keep an eye on it. Now it's a new IPO, but boy, they love to bring it back down, right? In that consolidation. Let's bring it, try to bring in the support. So keep an eye on this one. It needs to break out. If you get a white candle on this, close it. Just get out. Okay. So buy signal here was breaking out nicely. That's a concern right here. Okay. It has to get past. If it can break out, it's got good fundamentals. Anything here in Bull Master Pro, guys, not only we have great setup, except for this one here, technical setup, but great fundamentals. Okay. Carver looks good. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Break on resistance, reaccumulation trade. So look, we've been trading really well. New trade going here. All right. Higher highs, higher lows there. All right. Wing double. That's a new one we added. Wing stop. All right. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. Purple support and resistance, guys. All right. In here. So keep an eye on that. Okay. Eli Lilly, right? Buy signal here. Good price action. Moved up again today. ACGL. I'm almost done. ACGL. Buy signal here. Holding. Coca-Cola. Buy signal here. Holding. ASPN, guys. Buy signal here. We got in. I think we called it right about here. Holding firm. No purple support and resistance. All yellow. That's good. That's really good price action, guys. And they're holding that price. Look at those buyers. Hold that price near that resistance. Okay. Setups like this is a good area here where we could add it to the position. So let's say we got in here. All right. And that's reaccumulation, right? We could have added here and reaccumulation on a break of this resistance, and then look to add again here on a break of new resistance, especially when we have yellow support and resistance, not purple support and resistance. Okay. All right. So no guarantees here on this type of trade, but boy, we've got a green light. We got a green light right here, ASPN. Okay. All right, HWKN. Oh boy, we were looking for it to break through that resistance here and keep going. Didn't happen today. All right, sellers came in. Well, I wouldn't say sellers, just a pullback, no red candle here, just a green candle, a bit of a pullback. We need this stock to break through. We've got great potential here. It's on the daily, but if you guys look at the weekly time frame, look at the weekly. It's been going up. Look at the monthly. All right. So we know it's been moving higher. We know it wants to break out. All right. So it's stubborn right now. All right. Very stubborn. All right. Be patient with it. All right. Soon as sometimes we close these trades, as soon as we close them, then they move. Okay. I don't know why this is in here. Very bad price action here. Remove this. Okay. All right, guys. Our monster scalper traders continue to just be cautious. Okay, even with the dollar index moving higher here, I mean it's up right now. I mean, look at this is what's been doing. All right, so the good news, we've got a green candle here, and we've got some dollar pairs. So if you're gonna trade those, trade accordingly. Be careful. We do have volatility, okay, but uh, it's about what's that? About 60% volatility, which is good. All right, but 40% consolidation on every time frame. 60, 240, and daily, almost identical. Look at that. When was the last time? But not a lot of direction in here. The theme is the same. Look at the daily here. Look at the daily. Up, down, up, down. All right. Even on the 240. Okay, we have more better direction here on the 60-minute. Okay, so just be careful. Just be careful with Forex right now. All right, the money to be made right now is large caps. All right, large cap, not even small caps. All right, so even with stock boss, we don't have much in stock boss. So in small caps, not much. All right, 27 guys, 27 stocks in stock boss. Okay, so not much. All right, Bullmaster Pro looks okay. Have some selling in here, but otherwise, all right, not bad. I will see everyone on Sunday. All right, and on Saturday, our beginning traders class. We might have a roundtable tomorrow. Okay, I'll let you guys know for our existing traders. All right, guys, take care. Have a good weekend. All right, be safe out there. Be careful trading. All right, take care. See you guys later. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.